First hands-on look of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Hey guys, so, while the OnePlus 7T still isn't available in the US more than 3 weeks after its announcement, we are already having our first look at next year's OnePlus 8 Pro. Thanks to the 3D CAD renders courtesy of 91 Mobiles, we get an up-close look at the design of this upcoming phone long before its release early next year. Looking at the renders, we can clearly notice the two major changes that OnePlus 8 Pro will bring to the table. First and foremost, the display of the device will feature a punch hole for the front camera, which is currently embedded in a pop-up module in the OnePlus 7 Pro and 7T Pro. Secondly, the company adds a TOF sensor, which can be used for lots of cool things such as augmented reality, 3D photography, depth sensing, etc. There is no information available regarding the processor used in the device yet, but it is safe to bet that it will come with the next-generation flagship Snapdragon processor from Qualcomm. According to the source, the display of the OnePlus 8 Pro will be 6.67 inch in size, and will feature 90 Hz refresh rate as confirmed by OnePlus themselves. The USB Type-C port will reside at the bottom, along with a speaker grille. The alert slider will make its return, and will be located on the right side with a power button below it. Whereas, the volume rockers will be present on the left side. The phone will measure at 165.3 mm in height, 74.4 mm in width, and 8.8 mm in thickness, without considering the camera bump. This CAD render is a follow-up of the OnePlus 8 CAD that we saw earlier, and shows how both the models will have almost no differences between them apart from size. According to the report, the OnePlus 8 Pro will go official on January 23 next year, for a starting price of $700, or 49,990 rupees, for the 8 plus 128GB base variant. It goes without saying that these availability details shouldn't be trusted as it is, and we must wait until a few weeks before the actual launch to get more definitive information. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the OnePlus 8 Pro. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.